that a poet would die when a house fell down on him. The story arose in an area where golden eagles prey almost exclusively on tortoises. It has a beak that surgically cuts through flesh and effortlessly rips skin from bone, and talons that can pierce and crush almost any prey. But these tools are no match for the tortoise's armor. The eagle's solution fulfilled the soothsayer's prophecy. The poet did die from a falling house, but one that belonged to a tortoise. Its dive keeps up with its hapless prey. The impact achieved what defeated the talons. In the mountainous regions of northern Greece, chicks are reared almost exclusively on tortoises. But even the specialist tools of the eagle need help to keep the food coming.